Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing another Speedstorm unboxing. And this Glade Ragnarok R6. And this is the normal recolor. So yeah, here's the back. Stamina off the charts. And the revolve. So yeah, I'm really shocked I found this stuff. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. And yeah, that's actually really cool. That's hard to take off, but here's the QR code. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see me battle you guys on the app. Because I will totally do that. And here, yeah, this is actually a wheel, but it's a lot smaller. That's actually pretty cool. And a higher revolve. This revolve actually works pretty well. These are all higher bays. Here's the code again. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Ooh. Yeah, that's, okay. Not too strong. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.